Hi everyone. Today's assignment again has this writing linear equations in this Google Slides activity. I'm going to take you through the direction for each slide to make sure you have a full understanding of what you need to do. Slide 1 says the equation for each graph or table was written in the form of y equals mx plus b. Drag the missing values of the equation to each box. You just need to determine the slope and the y-intercept for each graph in each table. The values can be found over here to the right. You just need to drag the values to write your equation in slope-intercept form. Don't forget your slope is your coefficient of x, and your y-intercept will be what's added. The one hint I'm going to give you is that on the tables, if you're given an x value of 0, its corresponding y value will be your y-intercept. Makes it pretty simple. Good luck. The next slide says use the graph and table below to type your answers to each question in the white box. This assignment or this slide is very similar to the assignment I gave you on Monday. So I would suggest going back and looking through my corrections to help you with that, which you should have done already anyway. But you have some information and a graph, and you have these 3 questions to answer, some information in a table, and these 3 questions to answer. You're going to have to insert text boxes into these white boxes in order to type in your answers. Your third slide says each orange piece gives the slope of a line and a point on the line. Drag and match the piece with the correct equation of the line in slope-intercept form. So you're given this information here, the slope and a point, and you've got to determine which equation matches. Just slide them over each time. Type the name of the student from each group who wrote the correct equation of the given representation in the white box. Here we have 3 bits of information, a graph, 2 ordered pairs, and a table. And there are 3 equations that go with each. You need to determine the correct equation, insert a text box, and then type the name of the person who wrote the correct equation. Look at the information, write your own equation, compare it with these 3, determine who wrote the correct one, insert a text box, and put it there. Same with this. As always, email me with questions. I can set up individual Google Meets if needed. And I highly suggest you are checking School Tool. Some of you have many assignments to make up. School has we may not physically be in school, but school is still going on, and you need to complete these assignments to help you with your 4th quarter grade. Any questions? Message me.